Man, what is going on, family? What is going on? It's your boy, Money Mac, coming back to you again from, the set. Where today, ain't about me, man. It ain't about me at all, bro. It's about the wifey, man. You already know what I'm bringing out. See the box? Ooh, yes, sir. That box tag. There we go. You already know what to do, man. Let's get these joints open, man. Look at them. Shh, she ain't seen them yet. Ooh. Yeah. Appreciate it. There we go. We got that bag action going. What this bag is for, I don't know. I mean, it's just, I don't know. So women's exclusive, so you just gotta have a bag to go with it. So yeah, you got the Jumpman bag. I seriously doubt my wife is gonna use that bag, but let's get into it, man. Ooh, yeah. Let's take a second here to reflect on the greatness of these shoes. Why I gotta be in a size 12, Lord? Why I gotta be in a size 12? Ooh, yeah, man, just look at it shimmering off the light on the camera. Hey, look, man, these is tough. Like, these are tough. Oh boy. Oh man, these satin joints are super nasty. Jeez Louise. All right, I'm running out of sayings now. I'm showing my age, but look at the embossing of the Wings logo. Come on, man. Wait a minute, that ain't even embossed, that's stitched. Oh man, she gonna love these joints, yo. Brownie points scored. Yeah, she already know. I already copped them for, you know what I'm saying? Senator got them screen, but bro, I'm so mad right now. I'm happy for her. I'm happy for me because I'm getting brownie points. But, bruh, like, yeah, I really wish they had these in big feet sizes. Oh man, I wish they had these in big feet sizes. Man, man. No, let's see what we got right here, man. Sheesh. Oh man. I mean, it ain't satin, right? It's that high gloss. These are my rain boots, bro. These are my rain boots. Them joints are still nasty. I don't care what nobody say. Jordan 1s ain't hype no more. Who cares, bro? Who cares? I still got phone positives. I'm just ready for them to cycle back so I can rock them again. You know what? I don't care. I'ma rock them anyway. I ain't never start wearing my phone positives. But bro, look at that, man. Jesus. That's a big difference, man. Yeah, patent leather, satin. Jeez, man. These things is clean, man. Man. Yeah, man. Ain't much you can say bad about this sneaker, man. Oh man. Y'all with me, if you got big feet, you would've went for this, right? Just let me know in the comments. You would've went for these, right? I know you would have. You ain't even gotta tell me. You would've went for these because just the overall quality on the satin and the stitching. I don't see any imperfections in this shoe, man. I don't. And normally inside here on the Jordan 1s, it'd be an extra piece of leather, man, just poking out, and it's always poking you in the foot. Bro, I don't even see it on these. Oh man, look at that, man. That is a thing of beauty. Not a blemish in sight. Yo, let me know, man, if y'all cop these for your lady or you in the small feet gang. And you cop these on the shock drop because these are a definite must-have for the year. Yeah, probably the best women's release this year for sure. And for sneakers, period. Jordan 1s, whatever sneaker that dropped, and the women's only, yeah. I like the praline color, but yeah, they didn't do well. But that's good though, because everybody who wanted them got them. But these right here, man, good night, good luck. Because when they shock drop them, I think they depleted about 80% of the stock. So if you didn't cop, it's gonna be tough. But got mine, well, I got hers. And yeah, man, I'm gonna package them back up and act like I ain't opened them already and did a whole video on them. So I can bring you guys the unboxing. So we're gonna get to that right now.
Right. Ooh, little tote bag. What's good in here? Just an accessory, because but it's true, guys. Yes. Don't touch. Ooh.
It's daddy juice.
No, it's not.
This is your
Ooh.
juice. No, this is your juice.
Yes, my juice. Have a moment of silence.
I love it red. I got red. I like red.
You like red?
Yeah.
These
I
make
like-
me love red too.
I like this
As you should. Red and black is the best ever. I'm so mad. I want them so bad.
Oh, they regular.
Man, that's a lot of satin, bro. You don't need satin on satin.
But it would have been dope.
It would have been dope, but
Give me options.
you got options. You got black and red options.
They're so dope.
Mm-hmm. Now you gotta put a fit together.
Dang. They need help me. Ah, oh my god. They're so cute and so little.
Just rub it in, all right.
Why they unlaced?
Girl, oof. My wifey don't know the history of Jordan 1s, apparently.
I don't, well, all the
They-
other ones come.
They come unlaced because he always wanted to lace his shoes up before every game.
So why all the other shoes
No, they
come
don't.
laced?
All the other shoes do, but Jordan 1s don't. They don't. Trust me, they don't. They don't. They don't.
Jordan 1 what?
Jordan 1s come unlaced.
No.
Yes, they have.
Any kind of Jordan 1.
Lord have mercy. It's only one kind of Jordan 1, babe.
Which one is that?
The Jordan 1. The lows don't count.
No.
Bye, man.
My shoes stay bleached.
Because I laced them for you.
Say that then.
Bye.